Hello, I am a little alien dog with some weird arms. Why do I have two different shades? Why do I look like this? I'm gonna go float up to space. Oh, one back. You can scroll. Wait, you stayed. Thank you. Oh, thanks for staying so much. That really helps. I really need you to stay. Something good's gonna happen. My friends are gonna come see you from Earth. Okay, goodbye. Hi, I'm Alien Dog's friend. Here, Cookie's gonna come soon. But he's trying really hard on his channel and no one's liking or subscribing. And he really needs help. Please help him. He makes like 5 or 6 videos a day. 5 shorts and 1 very long video a day. Please like and subscribe. That'd really help him. Oh, hello. Our friend Alien Dog has a channel, but you guys aren't helping, so he can't really get any new subscribers. And this is his face. It's all sad, like that. Like he's really sad. He wishes you guys would subscribe and like, because that would really help him. Okay, goodbye. Just make sure to help our friend, and then he'll be like this. He'll be smiling instead of going like this. He'll be like this. Don't eat me.